Alright, looks like the weekend is not over yet. After this CO2 tank service, I thought, well, this is it for Sunday. You know, most of the time, one call on Sunday, that's it. This service call is a walk-in cooler down, and according to this guy, there is a lot of product in the walk-in. I'm on my way right now to see what is happening with this walk-in cooler. So I'll see you guys there. Come on, man. I'm tired, I'm sorry. Very tired. Yeah. So when I get home, they realized that they made a mistake. That the call, it wasn't for the gas station, it was for the restaurant, which also has a walk-in cooler. Great. It's gonna be long. Already frozen. Oh, that's the fucking freezer, fuck. Why do they do this, man? Alright, unit is not in defrost, condenser fan is running, compressor is out like hell. It's gotta be the overload. 3-phase, no capacitors. Or bad compressor. Alright, let's go check windings and the whole 9 yards. Make sure that it's not grounded. Compressor is very hot. Windings are good. It's not grounded. And the overload is made. Making sure we have power. Let's check for fuses. Oh, look at that. Fuses. Alright, let's check power. 210, 212, 210, 211. Let's check fuses. Good, good. Good. All right. Man, this fucking unit is a fucking pain in the ass. Alright, let's check some amps. 0.5. Alright, so that amps are only for the fan. 210, 29, 211. Oh. 210. 210. Everything is fucking fine. Well, I got voltage. On my compressor. All 3 phases are live. Compressor is dead. Simple as that. Show you 211, 210, 212. Compressor is dead. They are not gonna like this, but I don't like it either. I'm not gonna be able to pump it down because I have to close this. I can close this, get all the charge right in the receiver, but I got nothing to isolate this line, so the system had to be recovered to replace. So that's not good. Sorry if I'm not talking too much, I'm kind of tired and I don't have the energy. Alright, that's the bad compressor. Let's go downstairs and give them the bad news. I cannot shoot a video inside, so they also have a cooler downstairs. It's a prep table. It's not holding temperature, so I'm gonna take a look at it. I hear a history of problems with the temperature control, so that's what I got for today. I hope I can go home and take a rest because I'm really tired. This weekend has been completely crazy. Alright guys, see you in a little bit. Alright, the compressor is hot like hell. Run capacitor is bad. Start capacitor is dead. And the potential relay is bad. So I have to order the startup kit, which is the whole thing together, so then we can test the compressor. Right now the compressor, you can't even touch it. That's what we need. Alright, it's 10:30. I can say now is the end of this madness. Is the end of Sunday. I can't have another service going now. The walk-in cooler, the compressor is fried, so the compressor is dead. And also this prep table they have, the startup kit is fried. I'm talking about the potential relay, round cap and start cap. Everything is fried. Somebody wrote down that they replaced it in 2012, the whole thing. There is several notes in that cooler about adjustments, pressures, caps, relays, this and that. So they've been working a lot on that equipment. The dryer is new, and somebody wrote down charges for refrigerant, so that's telling me that if they may have leaks or anything else, who knows. But I can see that this equipment has a long story of services. So we're gonna start from that point. We're gonna get the startup kit, replace it, and test the compressor. Right now the compressor is really hot. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna go too far with this. I just wanna go home now finally and take a shower and rest. Believe me, I woke up this morning and I started working with my car, replacing the alternator. Halfway I received this emergency call for this CO2 tank, so I have to leave, then come back, finish the alternator, took a shower, and then I went with my father-in-law for lunch. I was sitting on the table when I received the call for the first one for this, so I just finished it in, like, you know, really quick, back to my house, came over here, and then they told me that it was the wrong cooler. Come back home, then they called me again. I'm sorry, that wasn't the cooler is this. So here I am again. Alright guys, I don't think I'm gonna shoot another video tonight, at least for Sunday. Let's see what happens tomorrow.